Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So sorry I'm recording this video a bit late, but I already took one trade before this, and the trade was something like this. I took a long at this candle and I put SL here. TP was this high, this old high. Now what happened here is after this high got sweep, there was a lot of buy delta at this high, so I was not confused, like I was not sure about this short, sorry, long. So I put my break even, and in next few minutes we got break even hit, but we got another sweep, but I was not sure to enter here, so I didn't enter. And I, maybe if I entered this time we got TP, but yes, this was not a sure short trade for me, so I didn't enter here, although I could take this, but right now I'm waiting for shots. Now if we see, this is high that we swept, and according to TP also, if we see, so we are accepted in previous day range. So yeah, I am might like a little bit confused because we can go long from here also, but I'm not sure here to take longs also, because you see there is no like break and retest and just kind of continuation trade. There is a like very sideways price action at this point, so yeah, a very lot of deciding point, I can say. And two, we have a lot of buy delta here, so I guess so I will wait. Yeah, if I got short, I might take a short here till this low. So yeah, this is what I'm planning. So yeah, we are getting rejected. I'm not short yet, but I'm waiting. Once it confirmed the short, I will enter. And SL we give kind of this, no trade yet. We're still waiting that we got some short. So yeah, let's wait. So we already one break even for a day, and problem is we are like the delta at this point, whole point is very high. So if we get so much high delta and we get reversed, that is probably be a sign of reversal and a continuation towards a downside. So yeah, I'm taking a short, still waiting, no confirmation yet. Trading is all about taking the perfect trades where you can define your risk. So yeah, if we didn't close below this, I'm a bit waiting for the proper closer and proper enter type thing to enter this trade. So yeah, let's see. We got a lot of delta above there, so definitely we're gonna break lower. And guess what, we break lower, I am entering the cells with SL of here. I guess I'm gonna take one. Okay guys, I'm in short, and yeah, we got reverse from here. I am not happy to take the loss here, but yes, definitely a worthy trade here. So yeah, let's see. We're going down, and TP I would set to this low. So yeah, this is what the trade today for the day. Something kind of this. I want a sweep, sweep. No, sorry, not a sweep. I want a clean breakdown here. No waiting, nothing. Yeah, if it like give a little rejection to the upward side, it's bad. So yeah, let's wait. Okay, we are rejecting. No, we're going down. Let's see, chat. See, I want clean rejection toward downside, like with good candles. I don't want a price to wait here. If we wait here, I'm closing this trade with a small loss, and I will book whatever market gives us. This is how I think during live trading. And yeah, we are getting rejection here. That is a good point for the trade. So let me set TP for break even. Break even I will do. Oh, sorry. There is a lot of sell delta in this all these candles. So yeah, if we rejects here after taking this low, sorry. So yeah, if we make a rejection here after taking these lows, I am closing this trade. I need a sell rejection here, sell candle here, breaking this low. Else I'm closing this trade right away. Yeah, we get a closer, then it's good. We got a lot of sell delta here, so I need a push down to confirm this trade is good or not. Okay, we are. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, chat, we're pushing down. Crazy. Again, I'm saying I don't need a closer back above this low. If we check once, yeah, we're rejecting from Valeria high also. So I need a good closer here, then I am in this trade. Otherwise, you know what to do. All right, all right. There's a lot of sell delta. No, there is very bad closing here. Yeah, this is not what I expected. I might close this trade here right away if it doesn't rejects downside. All right, we still have some buy delta in this candle at the top. So yeah, I think so. If we fall below this, the trade is definitely worth it. But yeah, if it doesn't, trade is not worth it. So yeah, let's see. At this point, I think so. There is chance of reversal if it doesn't close below this. And for the highs, the high we made here are pretty danger high also. Yeah, just break the low. I will confirm in this trade that we are kind of pushing down. So this breakout breakdown will confirm that the buyers here got their that. So the breakdown here confirms the buyers are liquidated kind of stuff, and they are ready to push down. And let's see. I just need a strong closer here. Otherwise, I'm not interested in this trade because it's very kind of boring to. I need a very strong push down, which confirms that this trade is in our favor and it's worth of holding. Okay, we are breaking down. Now, what I want is we don't need rejection from any VWAP or some stuff. This is the break even stuff. No, want to say NQ. We're pushing down in NQ also. So yeah, a good sign of trade. At this point, I prefer to put my stops. Yeah, this is the kind of breakdown I was saying. No, I don't want price again to like test this level again. This is kind of stuff when sellers are here in this candle. If price goes above, all these sellers are not getting value. This means the trade is invalidated and we can go upside of the trade. So yeah, this is how I think. I suppose there is some consolidation here and price goes little bit down and that up. So price buyers tries to take the control here, but price doesn't moves in their favor, which means the sellers are taking the control. So this is how footprint thing work and how I love to interpret the footprint. Now we have sellers down here. If price pushes down, this means all these sellers are uh, they're not getting the value. A lot of people say I don't show footprint chart, so now today I will show the footprint chart. Okay, so you see a lot of sellers here and a lot of sellers here. Now, if they reverse from here, that means all these sellers that are inside this candle at the low of the candle, they're not getting value, which means the buyers are taking control and our trade is in danger. This is how the thing work. And right now, if you see, the sellers are taking control, which is a good sign for our trade. And right now, I just want it to go crazy down. Yeah, this is what I was thinking. Wait, let me just take the footprint chart much better so you can study, like read this properly. Okay, a lot of sellers in this candle and all that price went upside. So which means a chance of these sellers getting uh, like they will get no value here. So if we reverse from here and all these sellers in the downside candle, they are getting liquidated. So that means our trade is not valid. Now I'm waiting to buyers to the like if buyers take over the control here, that's a negative point. Right, let me make this template more worth it to see, like more easy to see. All right, now you can see better. Now if we reverse from here, so the sellers got wrecked here and we just keep this like this. Our trade is going good. So far we have hit the 1 point something RR in this trade and 1.3 RR and we already break even. Yeah, these things work like this. You have to put break even instantly after the trade went in your favor. Just because if something went wrong, you at least have break even in your trade, so you don't hit stop or something. Right now I'm just worrying about these sellers. So yeah, if these sellers got wrecked in this trade, we are not in a good trade and we can go down. That's the sad part about of our trade. Okay, if we push down here at this point, I will book some portion of my trade at 2 RR. Yeah, almost at 2 RR. So we will book almost 7 NQ MES here, and we will keep rest to the TP. So a breakdown of this low is all we need right now to hold or make my potential partial here. I hope so. We get a break even. Sorry, breakdown here. You can see sellers are trying to push down. So yeah, if we push up from here, that's mean it's over for sellers. If we push up from here, because a lot of sellers are in the scene. You can see the delta here: 360, 240, 230. A lot of sellers in this candles, like in this bottom right now. So if all these sellers get wrecked here and price immediately push up, that means our trade is in bad favor right now. We are not in a good. Okay, I can book. All right, we have booked a lot of our partial here. I hope so. You like this the way I like tell the game between sellers and buyers. So you can see a lot of sellers right there also. So all these sellers right here is the main game right now. If we go above from here, we are done for the day. Sellers are not getting any value. So you see a lot of buyers are kicking in and all these sellers are fading. That's the bad point of your trade. So we partialed at very good point. So if we push up from here and all this buy delta got increased, that means all the sellers down here are not in our favor. That means all the price is not in favor of these sellers and price is pushing upside and we got break even in our trade. That's it. So price is at break even already, like SL is at a break even. All need to wait is for the who is right now is in the favor of the like price will get in which party favor. So if we close above this, definitely it's buyer's take there. But if we get sell down here, that means the buyers who try to take the price upside is not that much strong than sellers, and we can go down from here. This is how footprint like work. Currently, I can see buyers are pushing a lot of tape is like green right now. So yeah, if we push down, so like if we give a breakdown of this low, that means it's over for buyers. All the buyers that try to push price up are not getting enough value and all that buyers are underwater. Right now it's like fight off between buyers and sellers. So let's see who win. Looks like buyers gonna win because they're pushing crazy. Okay, we close above this buy delta, but again price trying to sustain, which means there's a lot of fight going on between the bulls and the bears. and we take out this high kind of also. So yeah, let's wait until then. If you see how I traded this, we took partial at 2 RR. Just let me know in the comments how you like this tape reading, or do let me know in comments how you like this commentary of footprint and this trade also. Okay, you can see the buyers who tried to push up here are not enough. Sellers are taking control again. Now what I want is closer between below this low. Right now the crucial level, you can see here 693 buyers and sellers are here. So if price close below, like above this, the sellers who try to push buyers here are gone. But if we closes like below this, we stays below this, that means the buyers who try to push price from here are underwater. So let's see who wins here. Now if we doesn't close above this, that means sellers are taking control, and we can take for sure like further low for this trade. So yeah, buyers are not interested anymore, and sellers are taking over the control right now. Let's see. Also, we are in the middle of this range, so usually in the middle I don't like to trade because it's the most boring zone right now. Although we are rejecting from VWAP also, we haven't closed above the VWAP, we closed down. So maybe if we push down from the VWAP and we doesn't like goes above this and these buyer deltas, that means it's over for the buyers and we pushing down. Let's see for NQ. NQ is holding the 30k level. All right, chat. You can see a lot of sellers at this point also. So a push down here is means like sellers are in control right now. A crazy push down from here means sellers are overtaking all those buyers that tried to push price at this point. So yeah, let's see this level. Below this we can expect a fast movement maybe. And above this, all buyers like all sellers that tried to push down are got failed. Price doesn't give them the value they expected. So let's see. Although we got 1 RR in this trade. So yeah, if we hit the TP, we get good RR in this trade. Alright, we holding this level again. Bro, I hate this price action at the middle. So annoying. Yeah. We are holding level as per I saw this, but let's see. We broke the level, but still no strength to go down. Let's see. Need a strong sellout here. That means buyers are cooked. Till then, you can tell me in comments how you like this series and how you are liking the way everything is going and the footprint stuff. Do let me know, please. All right, we give a good sell off here. You can check out a good breakdown here. So you can see seller are coming here. So a good push down means we can go down immediately towards the TP. So need a good push down here. Wait. Yeah, this kind of breakdown I was saying. I booked partials on my second account also. Now I am risk free on this trade everywhere. But sellers are not showing any strength to go down. I don't know why. I don't like this the way they are making bullish candle after every like lowest break. This is the worst sign. Again, their sellers at the down and we again start pushing up this kind of stuff. I hate this way. This is the worst PA. Yeah, this is what I was saying. Great. So far, I am interested to take one. Yes, more. We're almost near the TP. All right, chat. We are going so good in this trade. Till the TP hits or break even hits, just let me know how you like this commentary and footprint, live trading, everything. Do let me know, please. A lot of sellers in this delta, like whole filled with delta, like sellers. I'm closing this trade right away. So yeah, this is for everything. This is all right. I close this trade here somewhere about 2.5 RR, but we took almost 2 RR in this trade. So yeah, that's it for this trade. I hope so you got some value at this video or something. So I will meet you another execution video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.